Alright everybody, welcome back to the Building Bugs. I'm the Mexican Billy Built It, pulling some stumps here today. Got the snatch blocks. I had some dog beds as laying around, some old ones, but as dampeners. Got 6 snatch blocks tied off to another anchor tree back there. Gonna try to give this a pull. Let's see how it goes, huh? Here we go, nice and easy. I don't like how that snatch block's coming uncovered there. Well, the grounds are cracking. I guess I'll keep moving. And here we go. Oh yeah. Like butter. Better watch behind me. What I'm talking about. Sorry, I'm trying to watch behind me and not hit anything. Pretty sweet. Worked out good. I gave myself plenty of travel room so I don't have to readjust the rope. I'm so happy about that. Man, nice. Yeah, look, I still got lots of room to move. I don't know what the mechanical advantage is that I achieved, but it seems to be working pretty darn good. And I'm about out of room because I forgot to turn, but that should be all I need, I think. Anyway, yeah. Pretty sweet. Not a super huge stump, but, you know, had to start somewhere, and it definitely worked. It didn't seem like it was struggling too hard. Pretty sweet. Got a whole lot more stumps, too. Cast your eyes about. Lots of stumps. Trees, stumps, more trees to come down. Anyway, thanks for watching.